thank God it's a sunny Monday afternoon, and of course, we are really happy na nandito kayong lahat to join us for this very wonderful occasion we are celebrating. And to welcome us in our event, let's start off the show. For, of course, salamat din sa venue natin, Jollibee. Let's give them a big round of applause for this wonderful venue and of course the great food. At para simulan ng ating program, may we call out Jollibee.
Jollibee? Oo, si Jollibee nga.
Ano pa si Jollibee?
Yay!
Ay, si Jollibee.
Jollibee nga. Si Jollibee.
I love you, Sabado eh.
Thank you very much, Jollibee. Alam mo na, nagulat ako sa mga reaction. That's a Jollibee. So let's give him a big round of applause. Thank you very much, Jollibee. Okay, and now let's move on to our main event. Of course, now is the time to launch, of course, yung album ni Laika Gairano. Of course, meron na siyang debut album, Pwede Na Mangarap, and it also is the carrier single. At meron siyang 6 na original songs written by respected composers like Junji Marcelo and Miss Jamie Rivera. And in a few minutes, makikita nyo at maso-showcase natin kung ano yung mga songs and how talented Laika really is. And Pwede Na Mangarap press conference is presented to you by MCA Music, Spinner, and of course Jollibee. And again, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat na nagpaunlak ng inyong presence ngayong hapong ito. At hindi ko na kayo pag-aantayin pa, and she is the little girl that could, in her small frame and big voice, surprise Filipinos all over the world after her trending The Voice Kids blind audition. And many thought she's just another young biritera, but her story and her charm has made everyone fall in love with her more. So ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, the one, the only, Voice Kids Season 1 Grand Champion and our little superstar, let's all give it up for Laika Gairano.
Hello po sa inyo lahat! Hello! Thank you po sa pagpunta. Maraming pong salamat.